In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive backups for mobile and PCs. Whether you're looking to free up some storage space or simply do some digital housekeeping, managing your OneDrive backups is essential. We'll start by focusing on the mobile experience and then move on to handling OneDrive from your PC. First, let's tackle OneDrive on mobile devices. Open the OneDrive app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once inside, you'll see a host of files and folders that have been backed up from your device. To find the backups you wish to delete, navigate through your folders or use the search bar at the top for quicker location. Once you've identified the files or folders you'd like to remove, tap and hold 1. You'll notice a small checkmark appearing next to it. You can continue selecting additional items by simply tapping on them. After making your selections, look towards the top of the screen for a trash can icon. Tap it, and you'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Remember that deleting these items will move them to a recycle bin within OneDrive because it allows you the opportunity to recover them later if necessary. Now, let's shift our focus to managing OneDrive on your PC. Start by opening the OneDrive application on your computer. If it's not already running, you might find it in the taskbar or a desktop shortcut. Once you have it open, find the files you want to remove. Unlike the mobile process, here you can use your mouse to click and select either individual files or entire folders. You can also hold down the Control key while clicking to select multiple files at once. After your files are selected, you can either right-click to bring up a context menu or go to the top of the window for the delete option. Choose delete, and much like the mobile version, the items will first go to the recycle bin rather than being permanently erased immediately. Now, it's important to understand that the recycle bin on OneDrive has its own storage limit, and items in the bin are automatically deleted after a certain period, generally 30 days. So, if you're confident about clearing up more space or making deletions permanent ahead of schedule, you can manually empty this bin. Simply navigate to your OneDrive recycle bin and you'll find an option to permanently delete files, which will free up space instantly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your OneDrive backups, whether you're on the go with your mobile device or at your desk using a PC. By regularly managing your OneDrive backups, you'll ensure that your cloud storage remains organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.